Alright, so in this video I'll show you how to create a USCIS account in 2026. If you need to apply for immigration services, check your case status, or submit forms online, this is the first step. So let's go step by step. First, open your browser and go to the official website of the U.S. Citizenship and Immigration Services. Make sure you are on the official site to keep your information safe. Now on the homepage, look for the Sign In or Create Account option and click on it. This will take you to the login and registration page. Next, choose Create an Account to start the registration process. You'll be asked to select the type of account. So choose the option that fits your needs, like applicant or petitioner. Now enter your email address. Make sure it is active because USCIS will send verification emails to this address. After that, create a strong password. Try to use a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols so your account stays secure. Next, fill in your basic personal details, like your name and security questions. These help protect your account in case you forget your password later. Now check your email inbox. You will receive a verification email from USCIS. Open it and click the verification link to activate your account. Once verified, go back to the website and sign in using your new account details. And that's it. Your USCIS account is now created and ready to use for applications, case tracking, and online services. If this video helped you, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple guides like this. I'll see you in the next one. Alright.